Today is Saturday, January 29th. I'm doing a repair job, and these steps, they were done by another person and they were all buckled. So we had to lift it and double tack it, as you can see, so we can stretch the carpet and make it smooth like usual. The whole thing here is buckled. So you can see it from far, the carpet is kind of very light and blurry. So it's all goes like this. So we have first two were fixed. Now we're gonna go along with the rest. Going up with the pies, same story. And as for the line, it's already been done. The hallway here between the rails, whoever did this job, he didn't put anything, so we had to stretch it along this hallway, coming down to the master bedroom, which I call the operation room. There is buckles over here. There's one buckle, and there's another buckle here. And as for the closet, they put this wood after, so I'm gonna try to cover it with pieces. So this is almost is a repair job. As for these kids' rooms, there is more buckles here somewhere. This is on top of today's job, and it will be done shortly. All these steps are going to be fixed and restretched.